Hello guys, and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. Actually, today I'm going to do the unboxing for a very cool model from BBR. It's SF90 Stradale. But before that, I'm going to show you the models from BBR that I have. The first one I have is this Daytona. It's a very cool one. After that, I've got this GTB. I think it's 296, I guess. This is also a very cool car. You see, it's awesome. I have done all these unboxing videos. They are on my YouTube. And then we were having this SF23 Formula 1 car. Cool, right? And now we got this. So this is the fourth car in row that we have got from BBR. Let's cut this open and see what's inside. Let's see if we like this car or not. Probably we are going to like it because BBR make really detailed and cool cars. Look at that. You can still already see how good it is going to be. Let's put this here. Let's put this here, and here's your car. This is the coolest car. So we have some carbon fiber detailings over here with the aerodynamic. There is all the detailings over here. And look at that. Let's put this on the turntable and have a closer look, right? So here's your Stradale SF90. First thing first, the color is amazing. On Ferraris, this is the kind of color even as a collector we want. Of course, we cannot afford it because we have spent all our money in diecast. I really like the exhaust and the Ferrari logo, the tail light details on the sides. The rims look great. The rear view mirrors, Ferrari logo on the sides and on the front. We have the lines on the front just like the actual car, and it looks sick. What is the best part is that in the BBRs they put rear view mirrors, and you can see it's silver actually. There are some good engine detailings on this as well. It's a really nice car to have in your collection, and I really like the combination of black and red actually. So I have decided actually that whatever red car, I don't know what they call it, what color is it, it's something, I don't know, it's not exactly red, I forgot the name of the color. So I've decided that as long as BBR is going to make any casting in that particular color, in this particular color or form, I'm going to buy that car, and I'll do the pre-orders also. I have done the pre-order for 12 Cylindri, and if there are coming more, I'll do that. And before I close this video, yes, these models roll perfectly, and you can see how cool the wheels look actually. This is actually a really cool model, and the color combination looks perfect on it. This is so beautiful. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.